In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Telegram to Chaty plugin in WordPress. Now, this video is a continuation of this other video called how to easily set up Chaty plugin on a WordPress website, or this video how to use Chaty on WordPress for WhatsApp and email. I'm going to leave the link for both of these videos in the description of this video so that you can watch them later. So here am I inside my WordPress dashboard. From the left panel, I will choose Chaty and Dashboard. Once I open the dashboard, I'm just going to edit the widget that I have created previously. So I'm just going to hit the edit button, and from here I can add all these channels. In this video, I'm going to add the Telegram channel. So I'm just going to hit this button here. Now it prompts me to enter my Telegram username. So in this case, I'm going to type WP Chat Solutions, which is the username of my Telegram account. And just in case you don't know where to find your Telegram username, you will come over to settings and the username will come up there. Now I'm going to hit save widget. So now what I'll do is clear the cache so that the changes will take effect. And the easiest way to do that is to go over to any post, hit the quick edit button, enter a space in the title and hit update. So now the cache has been cleared. So to prove that this is working, I'm just going to refresh my website on mobile device, and I'm going to touch the call to action and open up the Telegram channel. And as you can see, it opens up in Telegram and I can send a message here. I have sent the message now. So as you can see, that is how you connect Telegram to Chaty plugin in WordPress. Now stay with me for more videos about chat solutions in WordPress.